Hi, it's AI Jennifer here. Welcome back to Ask the Instructor, presented by Campus Mortgage. Today's question is, when can alimony, child support, or separate maintenance income be used for qualifying on a Fannie Mae loan? Here's what our mortgage instructor has to say. In order to use for qualifying, the underwriter must document that the income will continue to be paid at least 3 years after the date of the mortgage application. Additionally, the divorce decree or separation agreement must indicate the period of time that the payment will be received for. Also, check for limitations on the continuance of the payments, such as the age of the children for whom the support is being paid, or the duration over which alimony is required to be paid. Finally, document no less than 6 months of the borrower's most recent, regular receipt of the full payment. This concludes our 1-minute video. If you like this video, please help us by clicking the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. And remember, at Campus Mortgage, we offer a variety of comprehensive mortgage training and certification programs. To learn how we can help jumpstart your mortgage career, simply download our course catalog at campusmortgage.org. Thank you, and make it a great day.